So, what should the optimal data management strategy look like? Basically, we have different authorities like FDA, the European Commission, and many more to come. The database of the authorities have some identical and some different attributes. For the identical attributes, we could now create a common data set and use these values for all authorities. For the attributes that differ, we need the different data structures. This would minimize the overall maintenance effort. The idea behind this is to select the same attributes for the different authorities and save them within a global dataset. The different attributes should be saved in several structures, in different structures, like for FDA and European Commission and the other. And so we can minimize the main maintenance on the global attributes and just keep an eye of the different attributes and maintain these additionally to the global master data.